Ever wondered how factories pay suppliers instantly without headaches or delays? The secret: smart contracts are transforming manufacturing in 2025. Imagine a factory where contracts manage themselves. No more waiting weeks for payments or filing endless paperwork. That's the magic of smart contracts: digital agreements coded to automatically execute when conditions are met. In manufacturing, this means the moment your shipment passes quality checks, payment triggers instantly with zero manual hassle. No delays, no errors, just seamless automation. Big players like Siemens cut turbine downtime by 10%, saving millions annually by automating spare part orders via smart contracts. Automotive giants track their raw materials end-to-end on blockchain-based smart contracts, ensuring every component's origin and quality are transparent and traceable. A Deloitte study shows companies adopting smart contracts cut supply chain costs by 15%, slashing paperwork and speeding up processes. Even aerospace firms predict maintenance needs and schedule repairs proactively through sensor data feeding smart contracts, avoiding costly breakdowns and boosting safety. The smart contract market is booming, set to jump from $2.14 billion in 2024 to over $12.5 billion by 2032, propelling manufacturing into a new era of precision, trust, and efficiency. And the best part: as technology evolves, machines themselves will negotiate contracts in real time, optimizing production like never before. Welcome to the future of manufacturing: fast, transparent, and smart. What would you automate with smart contracts in your industry? Drop your thoughts below. For more innovation-packed insights, don't forget to like and subscribe.